it's an all too familiar story. Heavy rain hit Mumbai yet again today, throwing traffic out of gear and impacting the local trains as well. Trains on the Central and Harbour lines have been running somewhat late. Certain low-lying areas in the city are waterlogged and office goers faced a great deal of inconvenience on account of the massive traffic jams. Some flights were delayed as well, but now things seem to be improving somewhat. The water is receding, though traffic is still pretty slow. What's not good news though is that the weather department has forecast heavy rain in Mumbai and elsewhere in Maharashtra over the next 48 hours.
It's been a fraught Friday for many Mumbaikars, but some of them are still clearly enjoying the rains at Worli Seaface. You know, a lot of people have been having a lot of trouble really getting to work today. Mumbai has come to a standstill, but you all are still here enjoying Worli Seaface. Clearly, this has not bothered you for some reason.
No, I think this is a good weather to enjoy. It's been long. Last year we didn't had any rains. So this year we thought this is the right weather to enjoy. It's beautiful weather. It's good rain.
These 2-3 days we have seen the maximum rain.
Yeah.
So this has become very nice.
It has been nice, of course. It's lovely when you can just sit and absorb it and enjoy it. But a lot of people have had a lot of problems getting to work today. A lot of practical problems also arise. You were saying something about, giving your staff also the day off. Do you want to tell us about that?
Yeah, because of so much traffic and big traffic jams and bad roads, it was, we've given them off.
Railways have come to a standstill, so probably that's one of the reasons why
Mumbai has come to a standstill, of course, also. And the thing is, it's unfortunate that a lot of people aren't able to really enjoy the rains in all their glory. But do you feel this year it's become a little bit better in terms of, the infrastructure, or do you feel it's the same story every year?
I think for sure infrastructure this year is much better. Compared to the last 2 years, is much better. We've not seen waterlogging this time as much as it was 2 years ago. So for sure. But
potholes are there.
We're outside the science station at the moment. As you can see, trains continue to ply here about 15 to 20 minutes late. However, the tracks completely waterlogged. Despite that, the trains are of course plying 15 to 20 minutes to the science station, which is in the central line. This is not the only station. In fact, stations like Kurla, Ghatkopar, these locations too have waterlogging on their tracks. But despite that, the trains are plying about 15 to 20 minutes late. Apart from this, even though it stopped raining, still the impact is felt while the water levels are receding at the moment. But as you can see, there is still some water left on the tracks.
I'm just now at Reclamation in Bandra, right where the Bandra-Worli ceiling begins. And right behind me is Mumbai's famous skyline, which is completely covered with rain and clouds. One can barely see anything in this, the Mahim Bay, which is right behind me. There of course are no boats, given the heavy rains which have been pelting on Mumbai city since early this morning. Now thankfully the traffic jams in certain areas of Mumbai have let up. This is the road which leads to the Bandra-Worli ceiling, which is right behind me, and the traffic is largely flowing smoothly at this point of time. There was a massive traffic jam on the Western Express Highway just a few hours ago, but that seems to have let up. The rains also have significantly reduced, but people seem to be going back home. But Mumbai skyline, as you can see, it's very blurry and hazy at this point of time, given that it's very cloudy. It's raining consistently since the morning, very heavy in certain parts of Mumbai, and the weather forecast is for the next 48 hours this rainfall will continue. In Mumbai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.